It's Chris from Meta PCs, and we're back with another PC Builders React. We have Connor.
You can't legally prove that.
And we have plenty of very interesting systems to react here, so let's get straight into it.
Oh!
Interesting.
Is it water cooled? This is a computer he uses to lure kids into his van. Do you need more fans? Oh my god, I want more pictures. I bet that one sticker is a scratch and sniff. Oh my god.
Death Stranding. Wow. I think he has a favorite video game.
So a lot of things controversial about this that I would like to say. In certain states, this would be illegal.
I wish I knew more about what they called this in the game,
Mama.
the enclosure.
Are they incubating it?
I was gonna say, they kind of did add the warm glow to it. It fits the look.
Overall though, I mean, I kind of like it.
Oh, here we go. This is your favorite.
No, the cardboard stuff. And this almost looks just like the one we did with the zoo in it. It's just missing the animals.
It is. Is this like a precursor to that?
This is just a PC and the glass maybe broke and they just said, you know what, f it, let me just duct tape some cardboard on the side of this.
Yeah.
And then they said, you know what, I don't need these drive bays and disc brace, so they just
if there was
rip
any
that out of
front
there.
intake, it would assist with airflow, but it probably doesn't exist in that case.
Yeah, no. This is your typical Detroit streetcar window PC.
On to the next.
Moving on. Oh,
Interesting. Got the 5-gallon water jug.
is it water cooled?
It might as well be.
This doesn't offend me in any sort of way. I have a couple at home. I don't know what to do with because I paid for them.
If there hadn't been a drive bay in the top, I would love this more.
And the power switch, the nipple power switch right there. Ooh,
Oh, that is a power
that is,
switch,
yeah.
isn't it?
And I bet you anything, it's very satisfying in the click.
Yeah. This would be a fantastic contender for a mineral oil cooled PC where you just fill up the 5-gallon and turn on its side.
Yeah, I'm not mad about this. If it works, it works.
Fantastic sleeper build.
Ooh,
Cheetah print.
stripper underwear PC.
No, wait, there's a coin slot in the front.
Oh, that does look like a
It
coin
looks like an
slot in the-
arcade machine on the front.
I am a lot older than you guys. The small town I grew up in, and they had a computer gaming room where you had to pay hourly to play the games.
Okay.
And it was all like one giant room, LAN party style, and all the computers looked like this. But they didn't have coin slots. But I could totally see this being in some new age Chuck E. Cheese, where you gotta put the tokens in to put time into the computer. Awesome, I love the idea, except for the build itself is complete trash.
And the cheetah print.
Probably smells like Vegas male stripper loincloth, and I'm very interested in putting my face in there just for the of it.
This looks like a Vegas-inspired PC. We have some experience with Pyramid PCs.
Is that like a green liquid cooled?
This is the most early 2000s PC build ever. This is probably the precursor to the Pyramid cases we use now, but of course they have like the static, just green fans.
I mean, speaking of Vegas, this is just classic luxury PC right here.
I like that the top of it looks like it lights up.
It totally does. It's lit up.
See on the wall there.
Yeah, no, it's well done. Just, done in the 98, 99.
I'd like to think this is one of the first Pyramid computers.
Yeah, I can definitely see that. We've come a long way.
Oh yeah.
The aliens built these.
Absolutely. What are we working with
We
here?
got secret toys I found in my garage. This computer project was originally supposed to be a sleeper PC project that I'll show later, but over a span of 2 years turned into this mess.
How do you compare this to just the good old cardboard box?
Okay, now I'm seeing a motherboard.
Okay, it's hidden down there.
Oh, that's the graphics card. We got a little bit of glare on the screen. I can't see. But that's the GPU.
Yeah, this seems like it was a lot of effort.
This is a computer he uses to lure kids into his van. This guy needs to be on a watch list. Why does he have these things sitting in his garage?
Why not just some cardboard?
Ooh, here we go. Oh, it's like a full bamboo
Okay.
PC. Scratch build from leftover elm from a desk my old man made. Aw, I thought it would make an interesting looking PC case. I present the build overwhelmed. Aw.
Looks like he has access to a CNC machine there.
And
That's
honestly,
really pretty.
it's done very well.
Yeah.
I'm loving the patterns on it.
Yeah,
That
it's
all
water
looks,
cooled.
water cooled. That all looks,
Awesome.
that looks nice. This is not cursed in any sort of way.
This is very well done.
Man, I wish I had a dad. I didn't have one. Let's just say that. I didn't grow up with one.
I'm concerned because the first letter is the number
A 3. Look, I'll take my backwards letters on a Toys R Us sign. Thank you very much. Hallelujah, America. This is just a big server build. Is each one of those drive bays used? Dude, I bet you anything, each one's only 1 terabyte.
Oh man, that's why.
God, look at all those SATA cables. We're just leaving that one behind? We're just done with that one? Hey!
On to the next. We have
Kupalin Futu CPU Unik Gun.
Yup. This is the next ASA case right here.
That actually? That's cool.
We did the
this
Mesa.
is-
We got a Pyramid. They're onto something here.
This is a family of janitors. The janitor job got passed down from child to child. You are proud of your custodian heritage. And you're proud of your custodian PC. I would rock the hell out of this. I'd have a PC in my bathroom and it'd be made out of this next to my urinal and a TV screen in my shower.
This and the water cooler sleeper builds. People are getting really creative. They're like, let's just take some random office supplies and just put a.
There needs to be an entire line of office supply PCs. Yes. I love it. This is a good one.
It's
this is
bomb.
a good one. And it's got
Jumps out nearest window.
it's a bomb. And I like the little bit of plexiglass to protect something for splashes in the bathroom, you know, urinal splashes. Sit down to pee, there's no splashes, I'll tell you that right now. Holy.
I think he's a fan.
Do you need more fans? God, each one of them is gonna be Molex plugged into, and they're not even gonna be powered by it. They're like all full speed. I wanna hear this thing turned on, and I wanna use it as a hoverboard.
This thing makes weird beeping noises when you turn it on. It's that old.
It still has the little speaker on it.
Absolutely has that little
the
speaker
diagnosis
on there.
speaker. This right here, this is like Nintendo 64 James Bond GoldenEye PC
I like
right
this.
here. I can hear the music and you're trying to, oh, give me a second, I'm almost in.
I've always had
This
an
is totally,
an appreciation for briefcase computers, like putting it in like a Pelican case or a briefcase like this one.
This
It
is
looks
sweet.
like-
Yeah, this is totally.
Yeah, this is some like high-tech military equipment. When you open it up, it's like we're launching nukes from
this
it.
is definitely a Hollywood prop. Yeah, no, this is pretty sweet. I really like it. But speaking of, it's a bomb and jump out a window. This right here, you're not getting through any sort of security. Yeah, speaking of a
bathroom.
build or a sleeper build, no one knows that your computer is back there.
Yeah, right next to your caution sign. And
Oh, dude, and the
water
flushing turns it on.
that make it so much better.
My God. Lift up the lid and there's your keyboard. Do we have, yeah, the monitor's in there, the keyboard's on there. Oh my God, I want more pictures. Fans going in, at least they thought about air cooling.
More interestingly is the PewDiePie gamer chair toilet seat cover.
That's pretty cool. I want to know the history of the toilet, what house it came from, like who sat on it, like.
Was it used?
Are
new.
there like stains in there still, the rings, you know if you count the rings of a toilet, you can tell how many people
old
live
is
in the house.
Oh.
If you taste the rings in the toilet, you can tell what kind of diet they have. Done it before, do it
think
again.
it would-
More office supply computers.
Sleeper
Love
builds
this.
on
And they're
sleeper
all
builds.
done very well. I mean, this guy has money. That's a ROG
Yeah.
GPU. They're in some sort of office or something. Look at the stack of sodas in the back. They're all wrapped on in the 24 packs or something. You know that show? It's like, is it cake?
Is
it a
cake? Is it a
PC?
PC?
Oh, hell yeah. So he's got some, he's a furry, obviously. Oh, I see a little fox butthole right there. See on the bottom right? On the bottom right of the GPU
This
strap?
is quite the eclectic collection of
Zoom in.
stickers.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wow,
I
we
zoomed in
can
a lot.
really
yeah.
enhance on this one. I don't think we don't need to enhance
I
that
want
much.
to enhance.
No.
This
Too
guy's
much.
a furry.
Back it up.
So, I mean, you can't really see much of the PC itself because of the camera flash.
Terrifying.
Good job. I can see with the GPU, there's like a red line through it. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a Radeon GPU.
Yep.
But I'm sold on the furry stuff. You know, man, I don't kink shame unless you're a furry. That's 100% a lie. I kink shame the shit out of that. I bet that one sticker is a scratch and sniff. Smells like shame and daddy issues. What do you think about my cursed abomination of a PC build? The monitor's on the power supply, and it's a glass desk. So you're blocking. There's no airflow for the power supply.
We just opted to skip the cardboard box in this case and just open air. Like, look at the green diode. That is just.
That's just old. Sometimes you can't afford anything else, so you just buy the basic components and play StarCraft on it. I don't know. First GPU mounting.
Why is there supplementary power going into that PCB? And what is it sitting on?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too. Is like, what is it resting on? I see it now. It's a dumbbell. Yep. And I love the fans are fighting with each other, like that CPU cooler and right next to the GPU fan, they're just. Pretty sure red light means no go.
Yeah, I think it means you're in trouble.
It's just they're like, help!
Please go back to lifting weights. Gotta love an ITX build where you can't fit the cooling.
I managed to cram 9 120mm EKWB Furious Vader. Oh my God, just fans. Just 120mm fans. I mean, if it squirts, it works, I guess. Because yeah, it's not bad. You're gonna get the performance you're looking for with all the push-pull, and as long as all the fans are actually spinning and nothing's in the way, it works.
Those
you don't
fans
need
are
it.
extremely overkill. Those are the
Yeah.
same fans in the EK server workstations that they just crank at 3,000 RPM.
Looks like a mech reactor or an AC unit. Either way, I like it.
That's for sure moving some air.
Here's my cursed setup. I actually own this cursed image. It's in a cabin in the woods on our farm.
It looks like it was also filmed in the movie Cabin in the Woods.
Yeah.
Is that asbestos? This looks like the crime scene of Adele.
This is the crime scene of Adele. Did she die recently?
Nope, I really hate this one. This is awful. Got a new GPU, but it had no budget left to upgrade the case. Ah, of course.
Yes.
Another one, just like our build from last week. Let's see here. Took a page out of his book with the construction craft scissors. At what point are you better off just breadboarding it? We're getting dangerously close to possibly shorting out that on something.
I'm pretty sure I can see the tetanus this guy's gonna get from this metal.
I'm kind of offended you just left that piece of metal just
I know, just
hanging out
remove it
there.
all, dude. You're better off just buying a riser cable and just having the GPU outside.
Yeah,
of the case.
exactly. Just like this guy, he buys a GPU so
Stop.
expensive.
See, and
it's
someone-
got an LCD screen on it.
Someone brought up the stock Intel CPU cooler. Yeah, I said the same thing. You're gonna upgrade that, but your CPU is just gonna be.
There are some cases for what, 30 bucks? They'll get the job done.
Pretty nice. Not bad. Not bad. I'll give that a solid 8 out of 10
Could be more cursed.
for ghetto-ness.
Do what you gotta do. All right, and this has been another episode of PC Builders React. Connor, what did you think?
Obviously, you didn't listen to me last week. I told you to stop following. I told you to unsubscribe and to dislike, and you're still here.
And we appreciate you for doing that, so we'll catch you next time.